I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Drizzle remains possible across the central and east today. Our temperatures tomorrow, once again warming into the mid-30s to the low 40s. Rain with a mix of snow is likely tonight through tomorrow as low pressure tracks mostly across South Dakota. Some of that precipitation may start out as some drizzle. Slick conditions are a possibility from a light glaze of ice to the north and west of the Tri-Cities by tomorrow morning. A tenth to a half an inch of rain is expected. Snow amounts of a dusting to an inch are expected along I-80 on into northern Kansas. Along and north of Highway 92, snowfall accumulations of 1 to 3 inches are possible. North central Nebraska may see up to 4 inches. Friday is dry before a small chance of rain or snow for Friday night into Saturday. Highs warm mostly to the mid-40s to the 50s for the weekend through early next week. In our long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures likely to be slightly cooler than normal Monday through the first full day of spring on March 21st. Forecast remains active from Monday through March 21st with above normal precipitation indicated for Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors driving market trade include widespread precipitation for all of the U.S. but the Southwest Plains, more heat and dry weather for Argentina, and rains continuing in Brazil. There is a chance of a severe weather outbreak today and tomorrow from the Southeast Plains into the Mid-South. Across the interior Southeast, rain totals of 1 to 3 inches may accompany the storms. Mid to late week snow blankets portions of the northern plains, upper Midwest, and Great Lakes. Little or no precipitation falls across the deep south, especially from southern Texas to the Florida Peninsula. The southern plains remaining mostly dry the next 5 days. For western areas of the southern plains, the drought remains in control for the key wheat areas. In Brazil, significant progress has been made with the soybean harvest and second crop corn planting. More upcoming rain in Brazil likely to delay second crop corn planting in some areas and expose the corn to the dry season coming up next month. Argentina's heat and dryness is keeping crop stress high for corn and soybeans. Southern Argentina stands the best chance at continued rain going into next week, but for most areas, the rain too late to have much of an impact. For most of India, a long-duration heat wave develops later this week and lasts through the middle of the month. Little or no rain and temperatures exceeding 100 could be very stressful for India's wheat in the filling stage. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.